subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
All that we are is the result of what we have thought. If a man speaks or acts with an evil thought, pain follows him. If a man speaks or acts with a pure thought, happiness follows him, like a shadow that never leaves him. Again I repeat, be careful. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. If a man speaks or acts with an evil thought, pain follows him. If a man speaks or acts with a pure thought, happiness follows him, like a shadow that never leaves him. Better than 1,000 hello words is one word that brings peace. A jug fills drop by drop. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Again I repeat, be careful. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Health is the greatest gift. Again I repeat, be careful these two lines. Health is the greatest gift. Contentment the greatest wealth. Faithfulness the best relationship. Just as a candle cannot burn without fire, man cannot live without spiritual life. Three things cannot be long hidden. Be careful. Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Work out your own salvation. Do not depend on others. What? Do not depend on others for salvation. In a controversy, the instant we feel anger, we have already ceased striving for the truth and have begun striving for ourselves. An insincere and evil friends is more to be feared than a wild animal. A wild animal may wound your body, but an evil friend will wound your mind. Do not overrate what you have received, nor envy others. He who envies others does not obtain peace of mind. Hatred does not cease by hatred, but only by love. This is the eternal life, eternal rule. He who loves 50 people has 50 problems. Be careful. He who loves 50 people has 50 problems. He who loves no one has no problems. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. I never see what has been done. I only see what remains to be done. Without health, life is not life. Be careful. Without health, life is not life. It is only a state of suffering, an image of death. Doubt everything. Find your own light. There has to be evil so that good can prove its purity about it. There are only two mistakes only can make along the road to truth: not going all the way and not stop. Happiness is not having a lot, happiness is giving a lot. Their secrets of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, nor to worry about the future, but only live the present moment wisely and earnestly. In the end, these things matter most. How well did you love? How fully did you live? How deeply did you let go? The darkest night is ignorance. If you truly love yourself, again I repeat, if you truly love yourself, you could never hurt another. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Again, I repeat, be careful. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. Let raise up and be thankful. For if we did not learn a lot, at least we learned a little. And if we did not learn a little, at least we did not get sick. And if we got sick, at least we did not die. So let us all be thankful. Be careful in this point. To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. What do you think you become? Your purpose in life is to find your purpose. Again, I repeat, your purpose in life is to find your purpose and give your whole heart and soul to it. You can search throughout the entire universe for someone who is more deserving of your love and affection than you are yourself. And that person is not to be found anywhere. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve the love and affection. You only lose that you cling to. Again, I repeat, be careful. You only lose that you cling to. It is better to travel well than to arrive. What we think, we become. As I told you, what we think, we become. Every morning we are born again. Be careful. This line, be careful. Take it very seriously. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. A man is not called wise because he talks and talks again, but if he is peaceful, loving and fearless, then he is in true called wise. Even that is not to be feared by one who has lived wisely. Again I repeat, even that is not to be feared by one who has lived wisely. There is no fire like passion. There is no sharp hater. There is no snare like pulley. There is no torrent like greed. Purity or impurity depends on oneself. Again I repeat, be careful. Purity or impurity depends on oneself. No one can purify another. True love is born from understanding. To conquer oneself is a greater task than conquering others. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Again I repeat, be careful. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. If your compassion does not include yourself, again I repeat, be careful. If your compassion does not include yourself, it is incomplete. Pain is certain, suffering is optional. Long is the night to him who is awake. Again I repeat, be careful. Long is the night to him who is awake. Long is a mile to him who is tried. Long is life to the foolish who do not know the true law. To understand everything is to forgive everything. An idea that is developed and put into action is more important than an idea that exists only as an idea. Be careful. An idea that is developed and put into action is more important than an idea that exists only as an idea. When you realize how perfect everything is, you will tilt your head back and laugh at the sky. Patience is key. Remember, a jug fills drop by drop. Teach this triple truth to all. A generous heart, kind speech, and a life of service and compassion are the things which renew humanity. Believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who said it, no matter if I have said it. It agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. A dog is not considered a good dog because it is a good barker. A man is not considered a good man because he is a good talker. Be careful. A dog is not considered as a good dog because it is a barker. A man is not considered a good man because he is a good talker. Have compassion for all beings, rich and poor alike. Each has their suffering. Some suffer too much, others too little. Every human being is the author of his own health or disease. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel so you will get notification of each video. Thanks for watching.